Today we're going to talk about how to optimize your LinkedIn profile. So I'm going to start with your profile section. So you need to get a clear headshot, a clear profile photo, shoulder up, and then a clear background photo. This background photo is sort of a representation of what you do. It can be, for example, I work in the eye care industry, so this is a cross section of the eye. So if you choose to get something or get a crop or something or a health condition that sort of aligns with what the area you're working in. So that's the first step. You then move over to the headline. The headline is sort of these are your headlines. These are the headlines. So it sort of introduces what you do in a very short and concise manner. So you can say working a professional working in the health industry, an agricultural professional working in so industry. So you get a very concise and straight to the point headline, and also remember to use the right keywords when sort of showcasing your headline. So the next section is the professional bio. Professional bio is a summary of your skills and accomplishments. It summarizes your educational and career journey in a lay but professional language that an averagely educated person can understand. And when writing a professional bio, you should aim to answer these following questions. What is your professional background? So like what do you do? What did you study? Like on what are you using? What did you study? What field are you working in? So if you studied nursing, you should mean that you're a professional nurse. So that is the first thing that should come up in your bio, that you are a nurse, so that people can quickly get a picture of who you are. So what is your professional background? And then what problems can you solve using your skill set? So you're a nurse. You have skill set in leadership, in in communication, in patient management, in clinical in your clinical area. So what are you using? What problems can you use those your skills to solve? Maybe it's hard skills or soft skills. So whatever. So what you should sort of state it. What problems can you use your skill set to solve? And those. So what sets you apart? So there are many nurses in the world. There are many teachers in the world. There are many doctors in the world. There are many engineers. So what do you think sets you apart? Are you reliable? Do you deliver on time? Are you trustworthy? So what sets you? What makes you unique in your field? And then what are you bringing to the table? So eventually there's a vacancy in the area you're working on, and you want to sort of go into another job. What do you think you can bring to the table? Why are you the best fit for this job? So what problems can you actually solve with your skill set that no other person in your area, in your professional field can solve? So writing up other sections of your LinkedIn profile, it's very vital that you use industry relevant keywords that highlight not just your skill set but also your career goals or aspirations. So say that you're working in the public health field, there are relevant terms you can use such as universal health coverage, health inequity, health inequality, health financing, global health, global public health, non-communicable disease, vaccination. Those keywords that sort of blend, that are relevant to the area you're working in. So always ensure you incorporate them from your professional bio up till the last section of your profile. Your experience, your education, your certifications, and every other thing. Let those keywords shine through your section. Right. So the next thing is to customize your personal URL. So you go to your contact info. I've customized mine. So this is your personal URL. You copy it. I've already personalized it. So you basically copy this URL and then click it on a website called the Bitly shortener on this website. So the next thing is to uh, get skill endorsements and recommendations from your professional colleagues. This endorsements or recommendations sort of, I see it as a customer review from your peers, from your professional peers, that you are good at what you do. You know your stuff. It's a credibility. It's a credibility stamp that it shows that yes, this person here, this professional here, he knows this. He's good at graphics. He's good at graphics design. He's good at MS Word. He's good at research. He's good at public. He's good in this field. So try as much as possible to network with people in your field, and to get those endorsements. And you don't really have to beg people to endorse you or write recommendations for you on LinkedIn. This is done in a systematic way. You start by building a professional relationship with them on this platform by reacting to their posts, commenting, dropping useful comments on their public posts, engaging in meaningful discussions with them online. Then this is how you start to build that professional relationship with them. So when you've built that relationship with them, they're now sort of looking to pay back, to help you build your professional career by giving you recommendations or endorsing you on some skill sets they perceive that you've exhibited with them, or you've showcased during the interactions with you. And also, when these people give you recommendations or endorsements, you shouldn't forget to reciprocate. So don't always be at the receiving end. So when someone endorses you or writes recommendation for you, you should give them back. And finally, it's also very, very necessary to regularly publish content online. It's really content that align with your industry or the field you're working in, as it helps to expand your network, build your professional career on LinkedIn. And when writing posts, you should sort of endeavor to use hashtags. Like hashtags, there are various hashtags in different fields. So look for hashtags that will work well to the post you're creating, and include them in your posts. And that's it. Thank you.